Hey, hi, hello everyone. My name is Alex. I am the owner and lead soap maker here at archer+alex. And today we're going to show you how we made our solid fragrance. So our solid fragrance fits into our skin line, and we launched our skin line back in December during the Holiday Spectacular. And we got some really amazing feedback, and everyone has just ranted and raved about the balm. So we thought for the Lonely Hearts Club collection, we would introduce a new product in our solid fragrance. And today we're showing you how we make Ponyboy. So if you'd like to see how we make Ponyboy solid fragrance, make sure you keep on watching and we're gonna get right into it. Alrighty, so we're gonna begin the process of making our solid fragrance. This particular fragrance we call Ponyboy. In our beaker here, I have heated up some shea butter, some sunflower wax, and then we also have some golden jojoba oil in there, along with kaolin clay. So I added the kaolin clay because I wanted something that was going to be able to, first of all, bind the fragrance to these oils and waxes, but I also wanted an ingredient that was going to mattify. So that way you didn't have like a greasy spot on your wrist or your neck or behind your ears, wherever you're deciding to wear this fragrance. So we have our fragrance oil added in. I'm going to add in the product. And then when we're not using it, I'm gonna put it back in our double boiler over here. It smells incredible. So for this product, I chose these glass pots. First of all, because I like the sustainability of glass, so that just made sense. But I also wanted to be able to offer this product year round. So I wanted something that was going to insulate the product. So when we ship during the summer, it's not just going to melt on you. But we also, because we're charging $25 for this, and that's the price point for this product, we wanted something that felt luxurious. So we went with the glass pot with the metal lid. So this one has not been labeled yet, but there is the bulk. This is our product. It's really cool. This is our solid fragrance in Carnal. So it's kind of like your dark florals with some sandalwood and light musk in there. I love it. I've been wearing it. It's beautiful for everyone, no matter the time of year. Ponyboy is going to be a little bit spicier and zestier. I am in absolute love with it. I have been testing it and playing with it for a while now, and I can't wait for everyone else to try it. So we're just going to fill these pots, set them off to the side, and let them start to harden. You can already see that that first one that I did is starting to set up, and it smells incredible. I wish you could all smell this. I know YouTubers say all the time, like, ooh, smell-o-vision, but like, it's no joke. All right. Keep filling this. But all right, so I'm going to fill the rest of these off camera, and then we'll be back once I wipe down our work surface to show everyone the punched in view of what Ponyboy Solid Fragrance looks like. All right, so this is Ponyboy filled and starting to cool down. So I'm gonna let these sit. As you can see, some of them are starting to like bubble up a little bit. That's normal, that's natural. But we'll hit them with the heat gun so they get like nice level tops. And then once they're fully cooled down and ready to go, I will then label them and you will all see the final results. I'm super happy. This product is absolutely my favorite. So that is how Ponyboy looks in the component, our little label for it. And it is just such an easy and such a beautiful product to be able to use. So it's gorgeous, I love it. So Ponyboy is launched on our website. You can shop that at archer+alex.shop. It's super easy to use. All you do is swirl your finger in, tap a little bit behind your ears, your neck, on your wrist. It's super versatile. You can wear a little bit, you can build it up and wear a lot. I'm super happy with how it turned out. So if you'd like to shop that, you can shop it over at our website, or you can shop it with your friends at West Bottoms Plant Company. We'll make sure to put some information down below for everyone. But yeah, thank you for joining our video today. I had a great time making this with everyone. If you liked this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Let us know how we did in the comments section. Hit the subscribe button. You can also hit the bell to join the Brat Pack and get notifications on when we post new videos here at Archer+alex. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And until next time, stay safe, stay happy, and toodles.